that will give you, yes, thank you, Swing. So if you go to this next page here and you're trying to figure out what one standard deviation would be, how would you compute by adding and subtracting, or excuse me, adding to each side? All right, it's going to be 68%. Good. Everybody should have B in that category. All right, very good. All right, so let's check this out. 100 kids went apple picking, and I want you to put your response in your text box again. The mean number of apples picked per kid was 42, and the standard deviation was 5.5. 68% of the kids that went apple picking picked between how many and how many apples? Okay, I'm looking back to see here. Looks like everybody had that one right too. Good. All right. The closer, the smaller the standard deviation, the closer together the responses. The greater the standard deviation, the greater the range and variance of responses. You don't need to know how to calculate these by hand. I'm going to show you how to do this with Excel. Some of you may already know how to do this. Others, it may be a first time. So, oh, that's okay, Amy. So we're going to give it a go here. And what I think is easiest, since we're in an online environment, is for me to go ahead and to help you understand some of the statistical information that you'll need, and then we're going to go ahead and actually compute an example on your Excel spreadsheet, on one spreadsheet, okay? I want you to understand that p-values, first of all, okay, range from 0 to 1. So if you're computing and your p-value is 700 and something, then you made a mistake, okay? So the range is going to be from 0 to 1. The smaller your p-value, that means the greater the difference between the different subgroups that you have. Jennifer, yes, do you have a question? Jennifer Burnett, I see your, okay, thank you. P-values may allow you to claim a statistical significance. So in other words, if you've set a confidence level with a 0.05 and you've done your p-value assessment and you have something at 0.05 or smaller, then you're going to be able to claim a statistical significance. All right, let's look here at number 9, and then go ahead and put into the box, your chat box. Data comparing the degree to which male versus female teachers feel that the presence of an adult male in the household impacts school behavior as measured by a Likert scale. A p-value is helpful. B, a p-value is not helpful. Okay. Holly, would you like to explain why you responded A?
I responded A because I feel like there would be a difference between the female and male opinions.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. The answer to 9 is A. So
Okay.
p would be helpful here, absolutely. Okay, good, good. I see some people. Yeah, I want you to think about that because a lot of people didn't have that one right. Okay, so let's try number 10. Data showing overall how much money parents think should be spent per pupil by the school on field trips. A means a p-value would be helpful, and B means it would not. So please go ahead and put your selection in the box. Okay, everybody got that one right. All right. The key piece here, and the reason that 9 was a place or a study where p-value would be helpful is because they're comparing. Okay, we're comparing male versus female teachers and their perspectives on adult males in the household. Okay. All right. Okay, we're going to figure out how to calculate a standard deviation. So you want to